Well, I'm kind of unfamiliar with my own car. I think got a safety switch under the dash. I can't remember which way the safety switch goes to get it to crank. I think I just flipped it off, but when I flipped it the way I thought it ought to go, it didn't fire. Let me just raise the hood. I'll give y'all a chance to see over in there, those of y'all that ain't seen what's under the hood of this thing. Here's what we got. It's a good old trusty 350 Chevy engine. I got those Mickey Thompson valve covers on there, which I was very fond of because I'm old enough to remember when that was all the rage, and Mickey Thompson and Mickey Thompson stuff was all the rage. Of course, not everybody even remembers who he is or knows about his life and the tragedy involved in his death and all that. Let me go get me a light tester, and I'll double check, make sure I'm throwing that switch in the right direction, and if need be, I'll put a little squirt of gas down in the carburetor too. Get this thing going. Get this thing going here in a minute or two. So if any of y'all don't know this on these cars, let's see what we got in here. It's positive and a negative. Negative wires were wrong color, but that's my fault. On these cars, this is a hot wire right here. And if it ain't hot, she won't run. Let's see what we got there. I'll reach over and flip that switch. Yep, she's lit up now. So that's on. Okay. So I was flipping the switch the wrong way. Probably flooded it. Probably flooded it, pumping the gas and all, with it flipped the wrong way. So I'll put that right back in place. We'll get up in there and we'll try her again. Oh, the joy. I tell you what, it is kind of a joy, really, a great deal of a joy to have a nice little dependable, easy to work on small block Chevy motor after I've been messing around with Cadillac engines, Ford engines, Chrysler engines, and all that fun stuff. Plain old simple Chevrolet. I think I paid my dues with all these other cars, and I'm about ready for one, I think. So. Get some gas down in there.